Before starting the classes, I need and want to quickly explain how you should study within this course. Each module was organized in a sequence, so it's important to follow the classes in the order they appear. Start with the introduction video, then open the class book, follow the explanations, and do the exercises. When there's a quiz or mock test, complete these activities at the end. Don't skip straight to the exercise or the mock test without watching the previous classes, because each part is prepared for you to watch the next. The idea of this course is to build your knowledge step by step. First, you understand the structure, then you practice grammar, vocabulary, paragraphs, and strategy. Only after that do you write or take the test. So, whenever you start a brand new lesson, make sure to do it like this. First, watch the video. Keep the learning material open in front of you. Take thorough notes as you go, complete all the exercises carefully, and then review the answers in detail. If you follow this sequence every time, the content will become much clearer, and your progress will be noticeably more consistent. I'll see you in the next video.